Let's be real, budgeting can feel like a chore. But what if I told you there's a way to make it fun, easy, and even automated? In this video, I'm showing you the top 5 budgeting apps for 2025 that will transform your financial life. Whether you're drowning in debt or just trying to save more for your dreams, these apps will make managing your money easier than ever. So grab your phone, because these game-changing tools are just one click away. Budgeting isn't just about tracking expenses. It's about taking control of your money and setting yourself up for long-term wealth. Yet, for so many, the struggle is real. Are you tracking expenses on a napkin? Or maybe your budget's a mess of spreadsheets that you can't even remember how to update. It's time for something better. While 2025 has arrived, let's upgrade your financial tools. First up, Mint. If you want an all-in-one app to track your spending, investments, and bills, Mint is the classic go-to. It connects to almost every bank account, credit card, and investment platform, automatically categorizing your spending. You get a full snapshot of your finances, plus budget tracking and bill reminders, all in one app. It's basically like having a personal finance assistant who doesn't take breaks. Next up, you need a budget, or YNAB. If you're serious about zero-based budgeting, YNAB is your best friend. This app focuses on giving every dollar a job, and it's built around the idea that you shouldn't just track your spending, you should tell your money exactly where to go. YNAB forces you to plan ahead, giving you control over your finances in a way that just feels liberating. And guess what? It's perfect for those trying to pay off debt. Coming in at number 3, Pocket Guard. If simplicity is key for you, then Pocket Guard might be the perfect app. It's designed to show you exactly how much disposable income you have after bills, goals, and savings. Think of it as your financial GPS, telling you exactly how much you can safely spend without throwing off your budget. It's a great tool for those who just want to get straight to the point and avoid overspending. Now, let's talk about Good Budget. Unlike the others, Good Budget is a cash envelope system, but in digital form. It's perfect for people who like the idea of physically budgeting but want the convenience of an app. With Good Budget, you can create virtual envelopes for different spending categories, whether it's groceries, entertainment, or savings, and you can track your progress throughout the month. It's old-school budgeting meets modern technology. And finally, Every Dollar. Created by financial guru Dave Ramsey, Every Dollar is ideal for people who are serious about paying off debt and achieving financial freedom. It's built around the simple principle of, every dollar has a job. The free version is excellent for basic budgeting, but if you want to automate your transactions and sync your bank accounts, the premium version is worth considering. Every dollar helps you keep track of your goals and will even push you to take action. So, there you have it, the top 5 budgeting apps for 2025 that will take your finances to the next level. Whether you're just starting out or you've been managing your money for years, these apps are designed to help you take control, save more, and build wealth. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart money tips. 2025 is your year. Let's make it your wealthiest one yet.